Hi everyone, welcome back to a new lesson. The topic of this lesson is the family. Let's continue learning Kachin Jinghpaw Language in English. I am Miss Bogra Glatsglau, freelance language teacher. Thanks for joining this YouTube channel. Yong Ngwi pyo kham jang ngao ga ndai kun dinghku ngui ga bo tha ngai the rao Jinghpaw ga English ga ni phet matut na kha ja la ga. Okay, let's start the lesson. Wedding Khungran Poe. These are our parents' wedding photos. Ndai ni go ante na gnu yan go wa a Khungran Poe sumla ni re. Wedding Khungran Poe. Photo Sumla photos Sumlani. Let me read the sentence again. These are our parents' wedding photos. Ndani go antena gunuyan guwa a Khungran Poe Sumlani re. Married couple. Khungran let dinghku de ay yan la. They are married couple. Shante go Khungran let dinghku de ay yan la re. Married Khungran let dinghku de ay. Couple yan la dinghku de ay yan la. I will read the sentence again. They are married couple. Shante go Khungran let dinghku de ay yan la re. Husband and wife. Madu wate madu jan. Husband and wife are a couple with two hearts. Madu wate madu jan go masin sulum lokong te dinghku de da ay yan la re. A couple dinghku de da ay yan la with te two hearts masin sulum lokong. I will read the sentence again. Husband and wife are a couple with two hearts. Madu wate madu jan go masin slum lokong te dinghku de da ay yan la re. Love. Sora I meet. Love is the greatest of all. Sora I meet go yong ta gabadik tum re. Of all. Yong ta, the greatest, gabadiktum. I will read the sentence again. Love is the greatest of all. Soramid go yong ta gabadiktum re. Love is the essential foundation in the family. Sora I mid go kundungku gata ta ra akyak ay mpot rudi re. Essential, ra akyak ai, ra akyak nga ai, nga yang mai ai, foundation, mpot rudi, ningpot kridun, in katata, the family, kundungku. Love is the essential foundation in the family. Sora I mid go, kundungku katata, ra akyak ai, mpot rudi re. Love, verb. Sora I. We love one another. Ante shadada sora I. One another. Shadada, shada. We love one another. Ante shadada sora I. Papa loves Mama very much. Wa anu pe grai sora I. Mama loves Papa very much. Anu awa pe grai sora I. Love with actions. Ta tut sora I meet. Daddy makes cappuccino for mommy every weekends. Wa go nuwa madu cappuccino coffee pe But gruya te labanshini shigu gloya I make Gloya I, Glo I, cappuccino, cappuccino coffee. Every, Shugu, weekends, but kruya te laban shani. Let me read the sentence again. Daddy makes cappuccino for mommy every weekends. Wago nuamadu cappuccino coffee pe, but kruya te laban shani shigu gloya I. The children are learning every day. Mani go, shanishgu, kajala to I. Learn, kajala I, kaja I, shirin la I. Learning, are learning, kajala to I, kajala nga I. Child, ma, children, mani, every, shigu, every day, shani shigu. The children are learning every day. Mani go shani shigu kaja lato I. Mommy does the household chores every day. Nu go dinghku bungli ni pe shani shigu glo I. Or you can say dinghku bungli ni pe shani shigu nu glo I. Do or does glo I. The household chore dinghku bungli. The household's chores dinghku bungli ni every day shani shigu. Mommy does the household chores every day. Nu go dinghku bungli ni pe shani shigu glo I. Each family member has its own tasks. Du nta mashash gu ta langai krite sing I dinghku bungli ni nga I. Have or has nga I or lu I. Its own langai krite sing I. Task bungli dinghku bungli. Tasks plural bungli ni dinghku bungli ni. Our family eats dinner together every evening. Ante kundungku ta shana shat pet shana de shgu rao sha I. Eat sha I. Dinner shana shat. Every evening shana de shgu. Together rao. Our family eats dinner together every evening. Ante kundungku ta shana shat pet shana de shgu rao sha I. Our parents teach us about love, loving one another and God's love. Antia gunuyan gua sora mida lam shida sora I lam te greg sang a sora I lam pe ante pe shirin ya I. Teach shirin ya I, shirin I. About lam I lam and te. Let me read the sentences again. Our parents teach us about love, loving one another and God's love. Antia gnuyan gua sora mida lam shida sora I lam te greg sang a sora I lam pe ante pe shrinya I. Our parents love us very much. Ante gnuguani, ante pe grai sora I. We love them very much. Ante shante pe grai sora I. I hope you enjoyed the lessons. Please do join next lessons as well. Thanks for your subscribe, like and share my YouTube channel. Yong pek rai jijuguba sai. Hang de bai krumga.